If you've ever wished your computer could repeat small tasks for you automatically, then you're going to love this. Today, I'll show you exactly how to download and use TinyTask in 2025. Super quick, super simple, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type TinyTask as one word. You should see the official TinyTask website right at the top of the results. Go ahead and click on that. Make sure it's the official site so you can download safely. Once you're on the website, look for the download button. It's usually right on the homepage and easy to spot. Click on it and your browser will instantly begin downloading the tinytask.exe file. Now, depending on your browser, you'll see the downloaded file either at the bottom of the screen or inside your downloads folder. If you're using Chrome or similar browsers, you might see a small three-dot menu in the top right. Click that and go to Downloads to find the file. When you see tinytask.exe, simply click on it. The best part? There's no complicated installation process. TinyTask runs instantly. No setup wizard, no extra steps. It opens right away and is ready to use. Once TinyTask is open, you'll see a very small, simple window. To start recording an automated action, click the record button. Perform the action you want to automate, maybe clicking something repeatedly or opening a program. And when you're done, click record again. Now, hit play, and TinyTask will repeat everything exactly as you did it. It's that easy. TinyTask is lightweight, free, and incredibly useful if you want to save time on small repetitive tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy automating with TinyTask.